with Little Luxe Treasures. I'm super excited to unbox my latest Chanel purchase. I picked it up on launch day of 22C of the cruise collection, but I was just able to pick it up yesterday. So I'm super excited to show you. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please like and subscribe if you like this type of content. So with that, let's get started. Okay, so I've got from 3 different categories here. So I'm gonna start with this right here. So normal, beautiful packaging. Of course, here's my receipt in the little camellia pouch. And then here we go. I'm really excited about this purchase. Okay, I had to reposition the camera. That was driving me crazy, but here we go. I actually bought these yesterday, which was like November 13th, I think, when I went to go pick up the other 2 purchases that I had done on launch day. So here we go. Of course, I always do it upside down, probably just because I get so excited. There we go. And then just a little information booklet. And I'm sure you probably already know what these are. These are earrings. I have honestly been looking for some everyday earrings that I could wear. And these are from 22C, just in case you're wondering. Here's the code, in case you want to. I guess I should show that afterwards. I'm just so excited. There we go. So I'm going to put a picture of what these look like on. I just absolutely love them. They are dangle earrings, and they're on, I think they're lever backs. Let's see. No, they're on post, but they kind of will look like a bit of a lever back, but that's them close up. I will put these on and show you. I am really excited about these. Ever since I lost one of my diamond studs, I've been like without a normal, everyday, comfortable earring pair. So there they are. Okay. And they were a pretty good price for Chanel. Sales associate actually sent me a picture of this as they were, I suppose, unboxing some of their items to put out either the day before launch day, and told me what the price was going to be, and told me the specifications on it. And I was like, she's like, well, you can return it if you don't like it when you come to get it. And I was like, that's true, because she didn't think it was going to be there, and I also don't think that it was going to be there. But this is just accessory. It's not ready to wear, but I'm looking to go that direction soon. Here we go. Zippered pouch. And so it is this beautiful scarf shawl, which I just love. I'm always cold, and I like being able to just drape things over me. This is also part of 22C. This is the item number, if you're interested. Okay. And this one is made out of, this is 70% cashmere and 30% silk, and it can be worn. It's got 2 different looks. On one side of it, it's got Chanel written on the bottom here. I will have to, this is going to be impossible for me to show because it's pretty large. Chanel right there. Hope you can see that. And then on the other side, you can show it's got the double C logo. So just absolutely beautiful. And the other side, it's a lighter gray with the black diamond quilting. So definitely very Chanel, and the logos still work on the other side as well. So you really can get 2 different looks out of this. It's very luxurious. It does not seem to be, it doesn't seem to snag like some of the others might. There we go. And then on the other side again, well, on the other side, this one's not going to work, right? Anyways, but I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I will show you a couple of mod shots. I'll try to do a couple of different ones. One a little bit more a little bit more relaxed, and on the other one I'll try to get a little smarter, or a little bit more business of a look on that side. We'll see. You might only see one mod shot because I might not be able to pull it off. We will see. Okay, so finally the big unboxing. So this is obviously a handbag. I have, if you've watched one of my unboxing videos before, I follow a couple of people on YouTube that always show what the releases are going to be right after the, seems like just a few weeks after the runway collection. Are always the YouTubers that are really good about doing it are Haya Glamazon and Always Antoinette, and I will link both of their YouTube channels below. I really like following them, and honestly, the leaked pictures really help me to figure out how I'm going to spend my money so that I don't regret my purchases as much, and that I don't have like a FOMO. It lets me focus on what I'm actually going to get from the new season. So I knew after my So Black mini reissue that I purchased at the very beginning of July, unfortunately right after a price increase, I knew that I wasn't going to get anything from 21B or from 21K, even though it was very, very tempting, but I was going to save it for this particular handbag. So thanks to both of those YouTubers, and you might want to follow them because it's a great way to figure out how you're going to build your collection and what you're going to spend. So that was long, so apologies for that, but here we go. Okay. Wrapped beautifully. My sales associate is the best because this is a hard bag to get, and I told her several months ago that this is the one that I wanted, and she remembered, and I've given her a couple of reminders, and then she did all of the rest of the work. And let me know in October that she believed that she was going to be able to get it for me. So I've been not stressing about it at all, but here we go. I would have been stressing had I not heard from her this last week. So here's receipt. Packaged beautifully in there. We've got the booklet, and let's check it out. So let me know. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like this type of content. And here we go. So I'm sure you can already tell that it's a trendy. So let me get some of this moved out of the way, and I'm gonna continue to unwrap. Okay, so here we go. And it is this beautiful black trendy with rose gold hardware. I'm just so in love. Let me position this. Okay, hopefully this is a better angle. I'm not really sure though, but I am so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so beautifully pink. I can't wait to show you. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna have to check the viewfinder to see if it's really coming across what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. There is no mistaking that this is rose gold hardware. I love it. Okay, but let me just continue. I mean, it is, so this is my first trendy, by the way. I loved it because I've always loved the trendy from afar because of this metal plate. I just love it. I am not a minimalist. Y'all, had to move to the light box because I really didn't think that it was doing justice with my natural lighting that I've got. But this is it. It is, I'm hoping that you can really see the pink gold, the rose gold hardware this way. And of course, it's got the new disc one so that you can't take the handle off. The handle is beautiful. It's got this leather piece. I'll do, after I use this a few times, I will do a review on it. But it's got the beautiful interwoven, leather interwoven chain, rose gold chain. The top handle, which makes it very elegant and ladylike, I think. And then it's got the 3 compartments inside. So if I just take these out, the very front compartment has the same, which you would see in the classic flap line, except on this front pocket where it's got the 2 slip pockets and a little lipstick pouch. And it's also got the plaque for the new authentication chip in it. The middle compartment is very roomy. This is actually roomier than the Pochette Matisse, it looks like, just slightly, but it looks like to be about the same organizational type, which is one of the reasons I wanted this. I love my Pochette Matisse. And then it's got this, so it's got these 2 roomy pockets, and then it's even got a pretty generous sized back pocket with a zipper compartment. And it is of course the zipper, you probably can't see it, but even in the zipper you've got the rose gold hardware. Now the plaque is yellow gold. Looks like that's probably what all of their plaques look like. And this is a full leather bag, so fully leather lined in every pocket. So absolutely gorgeous. And then on the back, you've got the Mona Lisa pocket that we've come to know and love. I usually don't put anything but just like possibly like one receipt in there. And then that is this beautiful bag. I will do some mod shots real quick, and you guys please let me know what you think. Again, if you like this type of video, if you like this content, if you'd like to see a mini review, please comment down below, and like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support. Have a very blessed week, and God bless.